All right, baby doll, what are we doing tonight?
Tonight, I'm doing a broccoli cheddar soup.
Oh,
I always, when I go to Panera, I get a little cup of broccoli cheddar. So I've been doing a little bit of research on it, and I put it together how I want to make it.
So this is broccoli cheddar alla Maddalena.
With bacon.
With bacon.
Okay, so now...
Wait a minute. Something's different. What'd you do?
My hair was so overdue. You like it?
You're going to wash that gray right out of my hair.
I know, I had so much gray.
Beautiful.
Thank you. So I'm going to introduce my ingredients. So we have broccoli, we have fresh garlic, bacon, my homemade chicken stock, shredded carrots, chopped onions, salt and pepper to taste, half and half, and a little flour.
All right.
Oh, and I forgot my cheddar cheese, but I'll take that out after because we need that later.
Oh, my God.
We need that later.
You got it, baby doll. We'll see you guys by the stove.
All right.
All right, baby doll. What are you doing?
Okay, so I'm starting with a cold pan with no oil because this has plenty of fat.
Plenty of it.
Okay, so I'm going to put my bacon in, cook this down, and we'll be back.
All right. We'll be right back, guys. All right, baby doll.
Look at my crispy bacon.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to save this for later because we're going to put this on top of the soup. Okay?
Oh, yeah. Look at all the goodness on the bottom
Look
of the pan.
at that. Mamma mia.
Si mangia. Qui in Americano. Broccoli, cheddar, it's Americano.
Yeah, it's okay. I love all kinds of food.
Oh, I'm not saying nothing. I love it. I love soup. You know that. Me, I'm a soup freak.
I know you are. You really do love soup. Okay, so now I got my bacon out. We're going to set this aside. And now what we're going to do with that goodness is we're going to saute our onions. Okay. Oh my God, they're going to cook in that. We're going to lower this a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to let the onions cook for about a minute before we throw in our garlic and our butter. I forgot to mention that in the ingredients. We're using a stick of butter.
Oh my God, you forgot 2 ingredients, the butter and the cheddar.
But all the ingredients and measurements will be on our family YouTube Talk and Taste.
Atta girl. Okay, honey.
Okay, so we're putting our garlic in, and now we're going to put our butter in. Okay, and we're going to make our roux.
Roux.
I roux you.
Oh, that was cute.
Okay, anything for my love. Listen, this soup's a little fattening, but just have a cup of it.
I'm having a bowl.
Okay, so we're going to melt that down, and when that melts down, we're going to add our flour.
All right, we'll be back in a couple of minutes.
And honey, we switched.
I'm helping out a little bit.
He's going to make the roux because
You got to stir.
you got to continuously stir.
All right, so we scraped the bottom so we get all that nice flavor on the bottom from the bacon and all that. We're going to add the flour.
He's really good at mixing. He's a baker.
Give this a nice little stirry.
That looking beautiful, no?
And you want to stir it so that you don't get clumps, you know? We've got to cook down the flour a little bit. Nice, we're just going to keep on scraping the bottom so you get all that nice fried bacon and all that goodness from the bottom, from the onions and all that.
Look at how cute he is.
My hair, I need to get my hair done. All right, now we're going to add our room temperature stock. Just keep on stirring. All right, we're going to cook this down and we'll be back, guys.
Honey, tell him what we added.
All right, we added in total about 64 ounces of chicken stock. We're going to bring this to a nice simmer, and we're going to add our broccoli. All right, baby doll, next.
All right, so next we're adding in a whole quart of half and half. You could use half and half or heavy cream. It's your choice, okay? And now we're going to add our broccoli and our shredded carrots that I shredded myself, okay? And we're going to let this soften up. So we're going to let this cook for like 20 minutes, okay? before we add
Cooks fast then, huh?
before we add our
Fromage.
cheddar, sharp cheddar. Okay, look, our shredded carrots. Okay,
That looks good.
look, we're gonna mix it. And we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper for taste, okay?
Salt and pepper to taste.
To taste.
You said for taste.
I love salt and pepper to taste, okay?
Yeah, because you're putting cheese in there and all that stuff, so you got to be careful.
So we're just going to do a little bit. Okay. Ooh, a little spicy. But this is a big bowl. I mean, a big pot, right? Look at that.
I'm sure a bowl's going to go here, a bowl's going to go there.
So we're going to soften this up before we add our cheese. And
Baby doll, what are we doing now?
all right, so we're making the broccoli cook a little bit more. It's still cooking. Not yet. But look, I want to try my new griddle.
Uh-oh.
On my Jen Air. Let me tell you something. I've been nothing but happy with this stove so far. It's the stove of my dreams. Thank you, PC Richardson, Jen Air. Woo! That sounded hot. Okay, listen, I'm not used to a griddle.
What are you trying to do?
All right, we're going to brown it.
You got to lay it and let it go.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to brown on one side, and then we'll be back to flip it. You still scared?
Yeah. I'm going to flip it. I should have made you do it. Oh, okay. I did okay.
It's brand new. What do you think?
Oh, look. I did it good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'll just leave it. All right, now we're going to leave it. We're going to let it cook more.
All
No?
right. Beautiful. Look, you got to leave it or you got to keep touching it?
Well, I'm putting it back in that spot where it was.
Oh, God. All right, baby doll.
All right, I'm ready. So I'm ready to throw in my cheddar. So I'm going to incorporate my cheddar. Okay.
And this is going to go for like 6-7 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. It all depends.
We'll let you know. We'll let you know.
Oh, yeah, now it's really going to start thickening up.
Look at that.
We like ours a little looser. If you want it a little bit tighter, you can put a little bit more flour. But we just like to eat it a little looser. All right, guys, we'll see you in about 10 minutes at the table.
Hey, honey.
Should I put the cheese or the bacon first? The cheese,
Whatever
man.
you want.
Put a little more cheese.
So he's doing a little bit.
I'm gonna put a little bit of the bacon. Maybe we're gonna add some because I like bacon. And more mange. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's good. Mmm. That's delicious. We love you guys. Cold day, hot soup. We love it.
Wait, we got to tell him how our sausage turned out on the griddle. Delicious.
Oh, yeah. Let's try.
And taste it with the scallion. I roasted scallions in the oven.
You're going to fill me up already.
I roasted scallions in the oven. Lunch tomorrow.
Sausage and scallions. I got that feeling. We love you. Ciao.
Good night.